Hi everyone, welcome to Looks Masking series, your go-to resource for all things related to enhancing your looks and boosting your appearance. I'm Inul Topo and I'm thrilled to have you here on this journey towards becoming the best version of yourself. Before we dive into what you can expect from this series, let me give you a little background on why I started this series. Over the year, I have realized how important is it to feel good about yourself and how improving your looks can significantly boost your self-esteem and overall well-being. That's why I am here to share tips and tricks and insights to help you achieve your looks masking goals. So what exactly is looks masking? In simple terms, looks masking is all about making most of your appearance through grooming, fitness, skincare, fashion, and more. It's about recognizing yourself, it's about recognizing your unique features and enhancing them in a way that makes you feel confident and empowered. In this series, we will cover a wide range of topics: grooming, hair care, skincare and oral hygiene, nutrition, eating habits and meal plans that promote health and aesthetics, fashion tips for finding your style, dressing for your body and smart shopping, building effective routine and targeting conscious self-care, incorporating less practice into your daily life, techniques for boosting self-esteem, overcoming insecurities, engaging with like-minded individuals who supports and inspiration. Each week we will focus on different aspects of looks masking. I will be here every step of the way to guide you through setting your goals, tracking your progress, and staying motivated. Or looking to refine your existing routine, there's something here for everyone. To start, I highly recommend setting yourself a notebook or planner. This will help you keep track your goals, progress, any notes or tips you want to remember. It's a great way to stay organized and motivated throughout your looks masking journey. Looks masking is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. When you take care of your appearance, you also improve your overall health and well-being. That's why we will also be discussing the importance of nutrition and fitness and how they play a crucial role in looks masking. To make sure you don't miss any of our valuable content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. That way you will be the first to know when a new video goes live. I'm so excited to embark on this journey with you. Remember, looks masking isn't about changing who you are. It's about enhancing your natural beauty and feeling your best every single day. If you have any question or topic if you like to see covered, drop them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. You can also follow me on Instagram for more tips and behind the scenes content. I love to connecting with my audience, sharing my personal looks masking journey. Thanks for joining me today. I am looking forward to helping you achieve your looks masking goals and seeing your transformation. Let's get started on this excited journey together. Now let's dive a bit deeper into what is looks masking. The term looks masking originates from online communities where individuals discuss ways to optimize their appearance. It's about taking actionable steps to enhance your looks in various methods, from grooming and skincare, fitness and fashion. Masking isn't about striving for perfection or conforming to unrealistic standards. It's about self-improvement and making the most of what you have. It's about enhancing your natural features and boosting your confidence so you can feel best in any situation. One crucial aspect of looks masking that often get overlooked is mindset. Your attitude and mental approach play a significant role in your journey. Thinking, self-acceptance and growth mindset are essential to sustain progress. We will talk a lot about building confidence, overcoming self-doubt, because true transformation starts from within. To give a sneak peek what's coming this week, Day 2 we will dive into the concept of looks masking, explaining its importance and how it can be positively impact your life. Day 3 we will talk about setting your looks masking goals, how to define and prioritize your objectives and create a roadmap of success. Day 3 we will assess your current appearance and identify areas for improvement. Day 5 we will cover basic grooming tips including hair care, skincare and oral hygiene. Another important aspect of looks masking is community. Engaging with like-minded individuals who are also on their looks masking journey can provide support, motivation, valuable insights. I'll be replying to your DMs and I'm gonna share success stories and creating a space where we can learn together. Setting goal is a fundamental part of looks masking goals. Setting goals is a fundamental part of looks masking progress. Important to have clear, achievable objects to work towards. Using SMART goals, achievable, relevant, time-bound to help you stay focused, motivated. Well, instead of setting big goals, I want to look better. You might set a SMART goal like, I will follow a skincare routine every night for the next month to improve my skin texture and reduce acne. Tracking your progress is equally important. We will discussing various methods for monitoring your improvement, from taking before and after photos to keeping a journal of your routines and results. By regularly reviewing your progress, you can stay motivated and make necessary adjustment to your plans. Consistency is key in looks masking. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but about making small, consistency improvement over time. We will talk about building healthy habits and routines that are sustainable in long runs. Here are motivational tips to keep you going. Start small. Focus on one or two areas at a time to avoid overwhelm. Stay patient. Remember that the real changes takes time and persistence. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and reward yourself. Progress you will make along the way. Stay positive. Keep a positive attitude. Remind yourself why you're starting this journey. I want to share a bit about my personal looks masking journey. Like many of you, I have faced my own challenges, insecurities. There were times when I felt discouraged, but I kept pushing forward. The key is to stay focused on your goals. Believe in yourself. If I can do it, so can you. Self-care is another crucial component on looks masking. Taking time to relax, distress, and take care of your mental health is just as important. Physical improvement. We will explore various self-care practices, meditation and mindfulness, DIY spa treatments. I want this series to be interactive and helpful as possible, so please feel free to leave your questions, comments and suggestions below. What are you most excited to learn about? What challenges are you facing on your looks masking journey? Your feedback will help save future content and ensure we are covering the topics that matter most to you. The foundation of looks masking. We will start with basic hair care, skincare, oral hygiene. Proper grooming not only enhance your appearance but also boost your confidence. We will cover everything from choosing the right product to developing effective routines. When it comes to skincare, it's important to cleanse, moisturize. Once again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to stay positive. Consider subscribing to stay updated all our latest content. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and topics you would like to see covered in future videos and join this looks masking series. Thanks for watching.